Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, welcome. Today's vlog is going to be very interesting. I am doing a staycation here in my home city of New York, so it should be really cute. You know, we're gonna do some self-care, we're gonna do some pampering, we're gonna do some shopping. I'm staying at the Arlo Nomad, which is in the city, so it's like an 8-minute walk from 34th Street. So you know, I'm gonna check out the city, but majority of the time I'm gonna stay in a hotel because she was not cheap. Okay, she was very expensive, and I'm only staying for one night, so we have to make the most of our time, you know. So currently it is about 12:30. I have a few errands to run before I head to the hotel. Y'all be proud of me, because you know your girl, she got a car, but she always want to take the train. So I decided I'm not gonna take the train this time, but I'm not gonna drive. I'm gonna take an Uber because I have like just a carry-on bag, and for some reason I packed literally my whole entire life in this bag for one night. So it's just too much work to get on the train and, you know, do all the extra stuff. So I'm about to go run my errands now because check-in is at 3 and I need to be there at 3 o'clock on the dot so I can make the most of my time and my money. So let's get ready to head and do these errands real quick so I can come back home and head out. Hey y'all, so I'm back home. I finished my errands. I really didn't have much to do. I just had to get something from the Amazon hub, and I went to the gym as you saw, and I got me a little pick-me-up lunch. But I'm about to call my Uber so I can head to the hotel because, again, what are we? Late and running behind schedule, and it's currently 3:03. Check-in was 3, so I need to hurry up. Give you guys the grand tour, I just want to talk about the hotel real quick. So I am staying at the Arlo Nomad, which is on 31st Street in the city. I'm staying for one night, and I'm staying for only one night because this hotel, or specifically this room, was not cheap at all. I paid $472 for one night, and I got the queen sky view, which you'll see why in a minute. But I am staying on the 29th floor, which is the top floor right underneath the penthouse. So, you know, your girl is feeling like big money. But upon arrival and checking in, they told me that the bodega was open 24 hours. However, I believe he said the restaurants, I believe, are closed on Sunday and Monday. I am here on a Sunday. However, room service is 24 hours, and they did give me, I think, $10 off my first order. The things that are included with this room is premium high-speed Wi-Fi, access to city bikes, gym access to NYSC gyms, well plus fit rooftop classes, water and room upon arrival, and all local and domestic phone calls. The bodega is 24 hours, as I said before, and they have rooftop access, which is from 8 a.m. to 3 p.m. Also, he said the reason why they're not doing like rooftop dining is because it's cold outside. It's like 38 degrees in New York at the moment, so I don't know who want to go to the rooftop. But he did say that it is perfect for views, and guests can still go up there between 8 a.m. and 3 p.m. just to take pictures. I don't know if I can still go because it's 4 o'clock. But enough of me rambling. Like, let me show y'all what we here for. Like, let me show y'all the aesthetics. Let me show y'all. When you first walk in, there's a full-length mirror that is located directly next to the door right here. Directly behind it is the bathroom. You can see you have your towels, your toilets, and the shower area. You know, nothing too crazy, nothing too fancy, but you're not here for the shower, okay? You're not here for the bathroom, you're here for the views. As we make our way inward, you have a little desk area along with the sink and another mirror. Here is the closet area. I just have all my junk in there. Oh, they even give you a little umbrella. I know it ain't free, but look. The mini bar with the water included. So y'all, this is what we came for. We came for these views. Like, do you guys see this? Literally breathtaking. So I have a queen sky view room, typical, you know, standard queen size bed. This room also comes with a TV. Probably won't be using that tonight. And yeah, that's literally it for the room. So as y'all can see, the room is really not big at all, but it's perfectly fine for just me. And I'm going to enjoy the hell out of it. You know, my little solo staycation. Later on, I'm going to watch Netflix. I am finally on season 16 of Grey's Anatomy. So I'm really trying to catch up because Shonda just be coming with these seasons. And it'd be like 30 episodes one season. So I'm really trying to catch up with that. And I bought me, you know, something nice to drink. You know, just something calm. You know, nothing too crazy. I probably won't go out because it is like 30 degrees in New York, and honestly, for as much as I pay for this room, I don't need to go a damn place but these four corners or these four windows. So stay tuned, stick around, and let's see what we get into today. Really quick, I just wanted to share some outfit deets. I got this two-piece set from Skims. I did a Skims haul, like a little mini haul, so I'll link that video up above. I got on some good old Christmas socks for $1 from Old Navy, and I have this robe. So this hotel does not, you know, provide robes, so I bought this robe from Target, and I love it. Like, I wanted a robe that was not too long because, you know, your girl is short, and this one is perfect. So I will link everything down below, but your girl is ready for her nap, and let's get to it because I done had a long morning. Hey guys, so it's currently like 11 o'clock at night. I was supposed to take an hour nap because I wanted to see the sunset, but of course the hour nap turned into damn near a 4-hour nap, and here we are. But it's fine, you know, sometimes self-care requires you sleeping all day, and that is okay. But I didn't have dinner, so I'm debating if I want to order room service, or even if they're still open, or if I just want to wait to the morning time because I want to watch the sunrise, and I'll just order something from room service. But I don't know, I'll figure it out. But since I'm up, I think I might, you know, still try to get a little bit of work in because clearly I'm not going to bed anytime soon. I'm definitely not leaving, that's for sure. Like, your girl, you see, your girl is comfortable as she should be, living luxury, living a good life. But yeah, so I might, you know, still attempt to watch Grey's Anatomy, still do some work, and we'll go from there. But I apologize, you know, if the vlog is a little bit boring, but like I said, sometimes self-care really means just getting rest, and I've been missing out on some good rest lately. But yeah, that's it for my little rant. Tomorrow, you know, we're gonna try to get a little bit more lively, do a little bit more of this, a little bit more of that, see the hotel a little bit more, just in case anyone is interested in staying here. But for now, let's just, you know, continue the vibe and relax.
morning, everyone. I made it up to see the sunrise, kind of, so I'm happy about that. It's currently like 7:30-ish. Checkout is 12 p.m. and I have a bunch of stuff to do, that I want to do before I leave. So I'm about to get ready so I can, like, you know, shoot some videos, have breakfast, do all the work. So let's get ready for a kind of busy day. So we're back and we're looking like a new woman. I just finished filming a vacation skin time routine, which you guys will see later on next week. Y'all, please excuse my lace in the next few clips. Your girl just slapped on her wig and I realized it was looking a little crazy, but we moved. Do not come for me in the comments. Let's just ignore that. Right now, I'm about to head to Starbucks to get me a little drinky drink, to get me a little matcha. It's so crazy to me how the girls are going crazy over matcha, and I've been drinking matcha since 2017, and it's just funny how now, like, people are really getting onto it. But anywho, we about to go to Starbucks, get us some matcha, and come back, take pictures, because like I said, checkout is at 12 p.m. and we are on limited time. So I'm back at the hotel. Midway through my walk to Starbucks, I made a detour and I ended up at Dunkin' Donuts because I've been obsessed with their salted caramel latte. So I asked for a small, but child, they were so discombobulated in there. I believe they gave me a medium. So I have a medium salted caramel latte with almond milk and cold foam, and it's hitting. But currently I'm on the rooftop, and the guy did not lie when he said views. Like, the views is definitely viewing up here. So let me show y'all what the rooftop looks like. So as soon as you walk in, you will see the igloos for outdoor dining, which they currently are not offering because it is cold as hell in New York, like I said. So the rooftop has a little wraparound balcony, which is super cute. But y'all, in the summertime, I know, like, this place just be jumping. Like, I wonder if you can come here even if you are not a guest. But here is the full view of the balcony. Hey y'all, so I'm currently taking pictures. They're coming out really well. Like I mentioned earlier, the hotel offers room service and you get $10 off your first order. So I just ordered some pancakes. I'm gonna eat that real quick. They came out to like $3 and then I left a tip, so about $5 altogether. One thing I want to note about this hotel is that it is floor to window ceilings, and there are other high-rise buildings around, well, adjacent to the hotel. So currently I can see a construction worker. Like, we could be looking each other eye to eye. I don't know if he's looking at me, but child, you know, I'm trying to make sure I cover the goodies because I don't need nobody taking photos of me, you know, from afar. So if you do get this room, just be mindful that other people can see you. So watch how, you know, you're walking around. But girl, if you don't mind, you know, showing your God-given body, do you, sis? I'm officially done on my photos. Y'all took like 311 photos in Lens Buddy. So I know I got some good shots in there. Like, I know. But I'm still waiting for my room service. Hopefully it comes soon, or at least by 11:50. I'm gonna call downstairs and see if I can, like, stay up here for like an extra 15 minutes just to eat without being charged the fee here. But all in all, I definitely enjoyed my stay here. Like, views were absolutely stunning from nighttime, daytime, sunrise. Like, I loved everything about it. I definitely recommend this hotel if you're into the aesthetics, if you want a nice view, even if it's just for a day. I definitely think you should split the price with someone, unless, you know, you don't mind paying the whole $400 yourself. But all in all, great staycation. I definitely have to do it again. I already have my next hotel in mind. I already gave this hotel its praises, but I really need to come back and praise it some more. So y'all know, order room service. It's 12 o'clock. Food is still not here, so I called downstairs just to see, like, if I can stay like an extra 15 minutes to eat. And my sis, she extended my stay for an extra hour. So instead of 12, I'm checking out at 1, which customer service superb. Like, your girl approves of this hotel. So since I'm waiting for my food, I'm burning up. Child, I got the air on 80 degrees, so I'm about to take this off and just chill because I'm here till 1 o'clock, like, period.